Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. Today we're gonna use this black Paracord 550 for our bracelet core, this green, yellow and red also 550, buckles, jig, and we can start. But before that, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you'll have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video, where you can find the credit for this bracelet design. First we're gonna take our black and we're gonna create our bracelet core. So take the ends of a black strand and pull them together to find the center. Here we have created our bracelet core and working ends. We're gonna start with our project. So take the right side black, pass it from the top into the middle and then to the side. Now with the left side black, around this right side black, from the top into the middle, then around and from the loop on the right side. Then we're gonna take our red and we're gonna cross it to the right side on top of this kinda right side loop and then around and from the back through that loop. Now we're gonna take our yellow strand, also from the top but into the middle, around and from the back through. And with the green, also from the top into the middle, around and from the back through the middle again. Now from here we're gonna take our green and we're gonna pass it across, on top, around and from the back through. Then we're gonna take our yellow and we're gonna cross it as well, but this time from the top into the middle. Let me just zoom a bit. So from the top into the middle, around and from the back through the middle as well. Now take the red strand, again across and from the top into the middle between the yellow and the green strand, then around, and from the back through the middle. Now we're gonna cinch it and proceed. Once more with the black one from the top into the middle and to the side, then with the left side black under the right side black, on top from the top into the middle, then from the back through the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna take our red strand and we're gonna pass it from the top around these strands here and from the back through the loop on the right. Now with the yellow from the top into the middle, around and from the back through. Then with the green also from the top into the middle, around and from the back through the middle. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!